Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So when you open Windows 11 settings, when you go to apps, the startup option is missing over here. So to fix it, you can open registry editor, type in registry editor in Windows search box and then click on registry editor. Click on yes to allow. And once this is open, first of all, create a backup of the registry. Go to file, click on export. You can save it to desktop, name it as backup. And then for export range, select all, click on save and let the backup created. Once the backup is created, now you can make changes. Now for this, to fix it, you go to this location. So expand HK local machine and then expand software Microsoft Windows software, then find Microsoft. Now expand Windows, scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows, expand Windows. Now expand current version policy system, current version, and then find policies and then expand system, or you can simply select, after you expand policies, select system. Now once you select system, on the right hand side, if you see these entries, then you have to change the value to, for these entries you have to change the values as like 2211 for these entries. Now I don't have any entries over here. If you don't have any entries, then make a right click and then new dword 32-bit value, name it as the first one, enable full trust start task. All these are provided in the video description. Name it and then make a double click. The value is 2 over here. Okay, then you have to create the second one, that is enable UWP startup task. Make a right click, new dword 32-bit value, and then again the value is 2 over here. Click on OK, and then the third entry is support new dword 32-bit values, support full trust startup task. All these are without any space in between. Make a double click. The value for this is 1 over here. Click on OK, and again the last one is support UWP startup task. Again make a right click, new dword 32-bit value, and for this the value is 1. Again click on OK. If you already have these entries, make sure the value is 2211 for these entries. You have to make a double click and then you can change the value, like for these 2211 for these entries. Now once this is done, now you can open Windows settings and go to apps. Let me open it once again. Apps. Here you can see the startup option is there. So this is how you can get this option back. If you face like if it is not here, restart you can be once, and after the system restart you can check, and that should help you to get the startup option back. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.